I know you gonna dig this.
YouTube was good. Your boy Yo Bobby TV. Let's work. Yeah. Woo. Okay. Got a self cut for you. Yeah. Let's work. I like to comb my hair back and comb it back forward. Kind of lift it up and lay it down. You know, those are my clippers of choice for this cut. The one guard, of course. Yeah. Now let's work. Come on. Yeah. Gotta stay fresh, stay in the zone. I'm in the crib, but about to put in this work. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. I like to go with the grain. Do one side first. Make sure everything is even before I get to the other side. Now let's work. Come on. Come on. Team Yo Bobby TV. Yeah, we here. So I go from either right to left, left to right. Just make sure it's tight. Can't mess it up when you got that guard on there. All you gotta do, I recommend starting higher with the guard, the clipper opened up, then close it in to your liking. If you don't know how to gauge the cut, if you don't know how to gauge the clipper, etc., whatever. Make sure you have two mirrors though. One that you can hold in your hand, one that's either on your wall or on some kind of stand. Make sure when you get the back, because you're gonna need that to get the back, you know what I mean? Sometimes I don't really care too much about the back or how official it is. I'm just trying to give myself a nice home cut, but we in the zone though. We gonna work. Come on. You know what I mean? Gotta pay attention. I'm using my camera though as a second guide. You know, doing the self cut right here. People been asking for it. They want to see me give myself a haircut. Team Yo Bobby, I got you. Now let's work. You don't have to be a professional to do this. All you gotta do is grab yourself a pair of cordless clippers. I always recommend. As far as for cutting your hair down, it just makes it easier to maneuver while you're working, especially if you're in a tight spot, you know, and you're just trying to get familiar with the feel of the clipper. But let's work. It's never too difficult. You just gotta try it, knock it out, and let's work. So, come on. Woo! Yo, Malcolm, you crazy for this one. Music done by my man Malcolm, MF Baby Grand. Deuce extraordinaire. Now we going over the front line, giving the whole cut a little definition. Let's work. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta clean it up, make the mustache look right. All you gotta do is get a feel of the clipper, man. Once you get a feel of the clipper, you'll understand what to do, how you want your shit to look. You know, I ain't got that Rick Ross beard yet, but I got a little something. Something better than nothing, I'll tell you that. So let's work. Come on. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this beard though, but felt like rocking a beard for this cut. Might cut it off in the next video, do a goatee trim cut, something, you know what I'm saying? Who knows? But let's work. Yeah. So, let's work. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned, you heard?